Creating virtual samples has never been faster or easier. With the new Virtual Samples add-on in ZOOMstudio, as you add products to your design, a logo that you choose will automatically be applied to those products. This tool is available from select suppliers. To get started, when you start a new design, you'll enter your design settings. Once you've done so, move over to the Virtual Samples section and toggle on the option to apply logo to products. Then you'll go ahead and upload a logo that you want applied to those products or select one that you previously uploaded. You can also click Edit to remove the background or change the color of a logo you've uploaded. Once you have your logo selected, you'll save your settings and move forward to create your design. In this For Product layout, I can click to add an item, and as I'm browsing products here, you can see there is a Virtuals Available label. These are the products that are virtual enabled and will get the logo on them if chosen. So I will choose 4 items here. Add products, and within seconds, all 4 of these products have the logo applied to the imprint area. You can also make individual changes to the different products that you've added. So for example, this white bag doesn't look great with this white logo. Now I could go update the logo on all products in the design settings, or I can make changes to this individual virtual sample. To do so, you'll click on the edit icon and go over to the Images and Virtual Samples section. I can click to edit the virtual that's on the page, or create a new virtual from other images available for this item. To change the color of this logo, I'll click on the change icon here, and then click Edit on the logo I want to update. This is where you can change the color of the logo with our selector. So let's go ahead and make it green. Hit Save, and now this logo variation will be saved to my asset library so I can select it and create virtuals with it. So here it is. We'll hit Select, and then we'll click Create to create a new virtual sample with this green logo. And there it is. So I've updated this individual product with a different color logo to the one in my design settings. You can also change the location of a logo if there are multiple imprint areas available. So for example, with a hoodie, there's left chest, right chest, and full chest. If you want to change the location of an imprint, again, you're going to click Edit, go to See All in the Virtual Samples section, and edit the virtual. Here we see a list of the imprint locations available for this specific product. I'm going to hit Create to build the front center virtual, and you can see it's now updated in my design. So creating virtuals has never been easier. You can also use the different page layouts to make images bigger or smaller. If you want to have just one virtual per page, play around with the layouts available in the layout library. So you can see I just changed mine and my virtuals got nice and big. Once you're done and you share your design, your visitors will be able to download these individual virtuals to their computer. So if you need to take the virtuals from a design you've made, simply go to the viewer, click on the product, and in the sidebar you can download them. So you can see when I click on this product here, I can download my virtual sample. Creating virtual samples is faster than ever with the ZOOMstudio add-on. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to us.